Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install Audacity on your Mac. Okay, so all you need to do is open up a web browser. I'm on Google Chrome. Then you just want to type Audacity download into Google and then hit search. You can see you'll get various ones that pop up, but you want to go to the official one here that says audacityteam.org. So click on download Audacity. That'll take you to this page. Then you can see here it says download Audacity. You want to click on this hyperlink right here. And now you can see all these different install files, but you want to download the Audacity Mac OS DMG. That is the one that's going to work on your Mac. So click on that one right there. That'll just begin the download. It is 42 megabytes. So I'll just give that a moment to finish. Okay, the download has now finished. So I can go to my downloads folder right here. And there you can see the Audacity Mac OS DMG. Just click on it. And now it's going to say opening Audacity. So you just need to give this a moment. And then you just need to drag this icon into the applications just like this. And it's just copying right now. Okay, so right now it should be installed. So if I click the search icon and type Audacity, you can see it finds it there as the top hit. I can double click on that and it should open up successfully. So it says Audacity is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Click on open, and just like that, it has been successfully installed. You can close out of this stuff and begin using Audacity. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.